because the lesion of the abdominal wall is very near to a small bowel loop and peritoneum. At first we will do water dissection, as you can see. Here is the lesion. Here is the lesion, and here is a small bowel loop and peritoneum.
We're gonna dissect it from beneath here to put the tumor up, not to damage the bowel during the microwave ablation.
I'm going to do water dissection here. So we are here behind the tumor, and I will do water dissection, as you can see here. Water dissection by saline, and I separate the tumor from the small bowel loop and peritoneum. Okay.
By making this gap, we are gonna make the procedure safer. As a safe margin, we can use this water gap not to put the needle to the small bowel wall.